Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sunrit Hazra. Today I will show you how to create Google Sheets. So at first, let's know what is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program included as part of free web-based Google Docs editors offered by Google. The service also includes Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Drawings, Google Forms, Google Sites and Google Keep. Actually, simply it's just like Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. To open it, we will go to Google Chrome, and this is the process of opening in desktop. Then go to Google Apps menu, scroll down and you will get Sheets. But one more thing I want to teach you, that is to move application from one place to another. You can do it like this, just drag it to the new location. That's very easy. Okay, let's open this. This is the process you can do in desktop. Okay, now we will do the process we can do in the mobile phone. You have to type enter, and that's how you can open in the mobile. So simply this is the name of the application, and this is main menu, and there is also name of the application, and you can switch to docs, sheets, slides and forms, and here comes settings, and this will switch you to drive. In settings, these things are available. So if you want to create a document, go to this plus sign button, and if you hover on it, you will get create a new spreadsheet and choose template. So let's go at first with create new spreadsheet. Here you will get like this. By default, your document is called untitled spreadsheet. Now here are these tabs: file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, extensions, help, and last edit was how much time ago. This can tell you, and your every change is being saved. Undo and redo button, and if you hover over any icon, it will give its name. So let's create a chart. Okay, let's continue with this. We will do with table of 6, just like an example. Let's now do the table of 7. Let's now make the table of 13. Okay, like this we can do and edit whatever we want. And this is the styles: bold, italic, underline and font, and main components, default components of the Excel and other programs. And if you want to print, ctrl plus P is paint format, and the serial is like this will continue up to Z. But in Excel, after Z there will be A, then AB, AC, AD, and like number it continues. And then we got open comment history. So from here you can start a new meeting and start presenting this Excel document. You can also share this untitled spreadsheet. Okay, let's save this, and you can share with your friends and family, but you have to know their email address. And then here comes our Google account. You can switch, you can manage the selected account, or you can switch or add another or sign out of all accounts. Okay, then now this comes the search bar. Always it has its work. It helps you to find your documents by writing their names, and then comes this sort options, and this grid view and title view. This is grid view, no, this is grid view and this is title view. I mean, this is not title view, it is list view. Okay, then next comes this choose template. You can choose any kind of template from here like this, or you can choose simply blank. Okay, one more thing, by clicking on this create new spreadsheet, this opens a blank template. Okay, from here if you go to blank, the same thing will open, and this is our Google Apps menu. So that's all. Hope you liked the video, and I want to tell you about one of my friend's channel, and his name is Riddhik Games, and please subscribe to his channel. I will be very happy if you subscribe to his channel. Let me show you his channel. This is his channel. I have already provided the link in the description. Go subscribe to his channel. This is all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and like the videos and share them too. Thanks for watching.